Today on the Street Food Chef Traveller, I'm in Negombo, Sri Lanka, and this is very well known for its fish markets and also its fishing industry, and this is some of the best I've seen yet. This market is just full on, it's all going on, there's a lot of hustle, there's a lot of bustle, and there's a lot of competitiveness between the locals. So let's see what this fish market has to offer, shall we?
And sail the same sky.
Stingray is one of the most sought after fish here, and it's very popular. It's cheap and easily available. So as you can see, basically they use pretty much every single part of it.
Every night when I come home,
Also, what Negombo is really well known for is its dried fish. And Sri Lankan food is fantastic. It's well known for its sambals. And part of those sambals are these dried fish. Here they have sardines, they have also bonito over there, they also dry cod, all types of fish. And it's one of the secret ingredients to a lot of their cuisines. Negombo is not necessarily a big tourist area, but definitely before you get the plane or after you get off your plane, it's really worth a visit. And I think the most interesting part of it is the seafood culture that it has. I think it's one of the best markets I've seen so far, and I've been to Sri Lanka already, and this is by far the most vibrant, the most interesting. So do yourself a favour and have a night in Negombo.